Hey Ashley, Jose here from SEO Monster Design, and here's a video I promised you. So today I'm going to give you 3 tips on what can help you out in your SEO, and even if you don't go with this, you can actually implement these tips yourselves. So here we go. Number 1, you got to know that content is king to Google. So the more words and pictures that you have, everything here that I have highlighted is your content. The more you have, the better. And the reason for that, there's a couple reasons. Number 1, the quantity, of course, matters to Google. The more you talk about it, the more you seem like the expert. But number 2, you can implement more of your keywords throughout your content. So, for example, this right here, Venom. If I go to save image as, see how it's saved under show image? You can save it as one of the keywords that people are typing into Google. For example, Venom tickets in Amarillo or Civic Center tickets Amarillo. So that way when Google scans your website, it knows that this is what you're targeting, this is what you sell. Therefore, making you pop up to the people that are typing in that keyword. So another thing is you may want to make this number a little bigger for people that are looking to call. It's a little easier for them to find. Make it maybe a color that stands out, or any other little thing you can do like that to increase your conversion rate. But I did put your website and one of your competitors here on this tool that I have called Ahrefs. And what Ahrefs does is it allows me to look at the back end of your website. So as you can see here, so what we're looking at here is the back end of your website. Like this tells us your front page power, this tells us your overall website power. But we'll get back to this. First, let's go ahead and look at your keywords that you're being found for. Okay, so as you can see here, you're in the first position for a few words. Let's go ahead and put it from least to greatest. First position for Panhandle tickets, 10 searches a month. Panhandle tickets, Amarillo, Texas, 60 searches a month. You're in the first position of the first page. Let's see, Panhandle tickets, 900 searches a month. You're on the first page for that, in the first position. So that's good. Restaurant, Roundup, Amarillo. There's a lot of words that you have that really doesn't look helpful to me. Good night under the stars, 2021. I don't know if you want to rank for all these. Those are still on the first page. Anything 1 through 10 is on the first page. So I did pull up your competitors as well, and they only have 4 keywords as well. But and I looked at a few of your competitors, and they all don't look like they're doing too great either. But right here, these words is what caught my attention. Amarillo Civic Center. I think you were like 52nd for that, which means you're on the 6th page of Google. And there's 2,500 searches a month for this word alone. Civic Center Amarillo, 450 searches a month, which I'm pretty sure those are the words you kind of want to target that we were talking about. So that's like 3,000 searches a month total for just these 2 words. And then of course it keeps going. We can target all these words. So the way to target these keywords is my second tip for you, which is powering up those keywords. The way you power those keywords and to be found for them is powering them through backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. And if you have your backlink on powerful websites, then it will power your website even more. So you want to get more backlinks targeting those exact keywords that you want to power up. And that will start ranking you for those words that you want to rank for. So that's my tip number 2, is getting more power through backlinks. So those are a couple tips that I wanted to give you, and just so you can kind of see the back end of your website and what's going on and your competitors, and see what we can do to win there. But another thing you can do is go ahead and run ads. I saw that your competitors here are running ads that show up on the top page. Or, well, I guess not at the top, but they're running ads that show them up here. And of course, sometimes the ads will pop up on top, sometimes they'll pop up on the bottom of the page. But that's the third thing we can do as well. We can run Facebook ads to catch people's attention that weren't even looking to buy tickets, but now it's in their head. So there's multiple ways that you can attack this. But those are the 3 tips I had for you. If you have any questions before our call, feel free to reach out. And sorry again for being late with the video, but here you go. Hope this helps.